Art Week Miami 2024, a creative odyssey. Welcome to Art Week Miami 2024, where creativity bursts in every pixel of this sun-soaked city. With over 60 events, Miami transforms into an artistic paradise featuring Art Basel, Scope, and more. Experience the magic that makes Miami an unmissable art destination. Dive into the world of Art Basel Miami Beach, where contemporary masterpieces meet the classics. Wander through museum-caliber installations and witness the avant-garde collide with heritage at renowned spots like the Margulies Collection and Wynwood Walls. Explore Bit Basel's cutting-edge digital art and dive into the virtual realms of NFTs and more. It's a fusion of art and technology that pushes boundaries, offering a glimpse into the future of artistic expression. Witness the tech revolution up close at the immersive displays. Indulge your taste buds at Wynwood's art and culinary festivals. Join exclusive rooftop soirees at Faena Beach for unforgettable nights of creativity mixed with Miami's vibrant nightlife. It's a celebration of art that tantalizes all senses. Mark your calendar and be part of this extraordinary adventure. From free exhibitions to VIP invitations, find your path among Miami's art-filled avenues. Subscribe now and let Art Week Miami inspire your inner artist. Don't miss this chance to engage with creativity like never before.